Hello, my name is Ben Dunn, and I'm the creator of Warrior Nun Ariala. It was a comic I created back in 1995, and it has gone on to become a Netflix series that's lasted 2 seasons, and now it become a trilogy of films. Now, the actual comic series has over 300 issues of various spin-offs and series, and so there's quite a history to draw from. My hope is that it will be an inspiration for the new trilogy of films that will be coming out. However, before the Netflix series came to being, the producer of the series, who was shopping it around, created a sizzle reel. For those who don't know what a sizzle reel is, it's sort of a proto-film type situation where you take your ideas and concepts and try to bring them to life so that when you're looking for investors or people interested in wanting to come in, they can see what the idea will be like. So this little bit of, perhaps, I don't know if it's lost media or not. I won't say that. It gives you sort of an insight of what they were trying to go for when they were trying to pitch the idea of Warrior Nun to various outlets. So I think this was done, maybe around 2015 or 16. I'm not sure, but somewhere in that neighborhood. Anyway, I hope you like it and enjoy the process. And so this is enjoy.
Behold a righteous woman wearing a key to heaven's gates as her crown. Behold a loving mother following her wicked son into the darkness of hell. Beware of her fallen crown, for there lies the end of us all.
You have something that the devil wants, and a duty to protect it.
Am I dead?
No, you're not dead. You've never been more alive.
What's inside me?
A secret that must be hidden. Show me. It's beautiful. We need to hurry, child. No wants, no needs.
Oh my God. Come into the light!